On the record, State of Michigan versus William Asper, 2300546 SM. And you are William Asper joining me by video, is that right?
Good morning, Your Honor. Yes, William Asper, defendant. Well,
right.
Yes.
All right, Mr. Asper, you're here for a show cause hearing. Back in May of 2024, you were released from your probation, but you still had a balance of fines and costs. And it's my understanding we need to set up a payment plan on that. Is there a payment plan that you believe would be adequate that you could afford to stick to?
So, good morning, Your Honor. So I had spoken to, I'm not sure what office it was. I don't believe I have any funds to make any sort of payment plans. As I think I said to the court, I am a trustee of an account.
We start right away. The judge explains the situation. His probation is done, but he still owes money. The court wants answers. It's basically a financial check in court. No handcuffs yet, but there will be consequences. When the judge asks, "How will you pay?" his answer actually makes things worse.
I have to pay mortgages, and every month that account, because of repairs and whatnot of properties, has been in the negative. So I don't have any access to put towards this. As well as what I told the clerk is, since back then, I have a son now who was born with some a genetic condition. I'll put it. And I mean, it takes my time up. Obviously, there's more money involved, but I don't have any ability to make any payments, Your Honor.
So you need to provide to the court adequate proof of your income and debts in order to prove that you do not have the ability to pay. Otherwise, I do have to continue to attempt to collect this money. What I'm willing to do today is to adjourn this a month to give you time to collect your documents and or consider what payment arrangement.
He says he has no money, but then admits he controls an account with properties and mortgages. Not a good look when claiming you're broke. Then he brings up having a newborn with medical issues, serious. But sympathy doesn't erase debt. Judges care about facts, not feelings. That's when the judge makes a simple request that changes everything.
You can afford.
Okay, so Your Honor, I have my trustee thing, but I don't take an income from it. So as far as income coming in, I don't have any. So it's zero.
If you're not disabled and unable to work, then you have the ability to work and earn. So that's not going to be an adequate answer.
So I had a question. So there was some recent Michigan Supreme Court case law. And since the probation has been terminated, I don't understand what jurisdiction this court has.
It's actually quite the opposite. The Michigan court has determined that in order for you not to have to stay on probation until it's paid, that we retain authority to collect the money after probation. The alternative would be, which they decided they don't want to do, is keep people on probation until the money's paid. So I retain jurisdiction to collect the money. That's my jurisdiction.
The judge gives him something rare, 1 month to prove he can pay. But instead of taking it, he tries to argue about the court's authority. Bad idea. Judges don't like Google law arguments. The judge shuts him down cold.
Your Honor, that's not his jurisdiction. I was off probation. That only applies to if I have an ability to pay, which I don't.
Yes, and I'm telling you, I'm adjourning this 30 days for you to provide proof to the court in person of your assets.
Your Honor, I can't go. I don't have a vehicle, Your Honor. I'm not going to be in person. I'm not going to be in person. I have to take care of my child. I don't have a vehicle.
You will come in person, or you will have a bench warrant. That's how this
fine,
works.
Your Honor. I don't have a way up there. I don't have a vehicle. I have not had a vehicle since November.
Well, I'm going to go ahead and schedule this, and you'll make your choice. If you're not here, I'll issue a bench warrant. This is set for July 29th.
I'm not showing up in person. I don't have the ability. What email address to send my paperwork to? This is why there's Zoom.
No, so Zoom is in my discretion. And so I do not have to allow a hearing to occur in Zoom. If you want to email records to the court, you can do that. It's Judge Buchanan Court.
Tension spikes. The judge lays out the rules, and the defendant does the worst thing. He refuses to appear in court. Not, I can't. Not, can we reschedule? Just, I'm not going. That's serious trouble in court. The judge is ready to make him face the consequences.
Courtroom at lansingmi.gov, and I will review
Judge.
whatever documents you submit, but I'm still
Thank you.
scheduling this for an
That's fine.
in-person proceeding, July 29 at 11
Here, let me get it before we cut out. Judge Buchanan Courtroom.
at Lansing, MI as in Michigan, mi.gov.
LansingMI.gov. Okay.
Correct.
Thank
Okay.
you.
And we'll mail you a notice for that July 29th date. You're all set for today.
Have a good day, Aaron. Bye.
The judge doesn't negotiate. This isn't discussion anymore. It's an order. Come in person or deal with the consequences. Now, the case isn't just about money. It's heading toward a possible warrant. And just like that, the hearing ends.